Hi, I've got some sudden guest at home for lunch. I mean, what to make for dessert, I'm not able to understand. So I have these choco pies with me, which my kids love to eat, my grandkids. So I think I'll make something out of this only, using this plus milk plus sugar plus chocolate essence plus cocoa powder. So let us try to mix up everything and bring up a nice dessert to eat after lunch for the guest. First, let us take 3-4 choco pies and crush them in the mixer. I've taken 4 pieces and I'll crush them in the mixer and powder them. This will be the base of my pudding. Nicely powdered it. Now let us make some custard. Take 1 cup milk and put it to boil. In the meantime, take 2 tablespoons of custard powder, mix it in cold milk, and let's add it to this once it comes to a boil. Along with that, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of custard powder. To this I will add little cold milk and mix it up so that no lumps are formed. I have added cold milk and I'll mix it up nicely so that no lumps are formed. While the milk is boiling, let us add 2 tablespoons of sugar to this. If you feel it is more, then add 1.5 tablespoon. Once the milk comes to a boil, start slowly adding the custard powder which you have mixed with milk to the boiled milk and keep on stirring it continuously until it thickens. Stirring it continuously, start adding the cold milk mixed with custard powder until it thickens. Don't stop stirring, otherwise it will form lumps. Keep on stirring it continuously. See, it is thickening up. Thickens very fast. Put off the gas. Now let it cool down completely. Now take 1 cup of milk, add to this 1 tablespoon of sugar. While the milk and sugar is getting boiled, let us prepare slurry. Take 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, corn flour, mix little water and prepare slurry out of this. Mix it thoroughly so that no lumps are formed and add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to this. Now add the slurry as well as the cocoa powder to the hot milk and let it mix up thoroughly until the milk thickens. Keep on stirring it continuously so that no lumps are formed and it gets mixed up nicely and thickens up also. Since there is corn flour, cornstarch, it will thicken up slowly. See, it's thickening up. And the cocoa powder is also getting mixed up. Now put off the gas and let it cool down. Custard has cooled down, so let us pour it on the biscuit powder. Now let us pour the chocolate over this. Cocoa milk and the slurry that I had prepared. Let us sprinkle some decoration on this and then keep it in the refrigerator to freeze. After 2 to 3 hours in the refrigerator, my pudding has set and it is ready to serve as a dessert after lunch or after dinner or even as an evening tea time snack. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment. Let me know how you found this. It is a very simple recipe from whatever you have in the house and the kiddies, biscuits and gems. I have turned out a very delicious, very tasty dessert. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Amita Bagai from Amita Bagai's Amazing Kitchen. Thanks a lot. Nowadays strawberries are in season, so I have decorated it with strawberries. You can add any fruit you want, or even with gems, or a chocolate will also do, or even a biscuit will do. Thank you so much. Enjoy the lunch, dinner, as well as the dessert. Thanks a lot.